In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best value welding helmet that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. YESWELDER LYG-M800H Welding Helmet. The YESWELDER LYG-M800H large viewing screen welding helmet is an impressive hood that hundreds, if not thousands of welders use. It isn't the highest quality helmet, but it's worth considering for the excellent features at this price point. The viewing area is 3.94 by 3.66 inches. It's not the tallest lens available in the under $100 range. The lens also eliminates the green shade which most lenses have. It has a 1/1/1/2 optical clarity, which is 1 mark less than the top clarity available. With the high optical clarity and the green shading removed and a large screen to see out from, the optics in this helmet stand above many high-quality, expensive helmets. Number 2. Antra AH6160 Cheap Auto Dark Welding Helmet. With solar power to lengthen battery life, replaceable batteries and lightweight, the Antra AH6160 is our choice for the best budget welding helmet. It's got a battery indicator, something that's often missing on helmets that cost twice as much. Another nice touch is a test button to check the auto darkening before you actually strike an arc. The filter works as a passive shade 13 lens when not powered, so you can work even if the batteries are down. Antra includes an automatic turn-on and shut-off feature, which is quite handy when you're in a hurry to get to work. The ADF system includes a delay in the power-off function. It stays powered on for 10 minutes before going to sleep. Number 3. Deco Pro DX800S Welding Helmet. The Deco Pro Solar is another welding helmet with a 1/1/1/2 optical clarity rating at a great price. The rounded corners make it easier to get into and out of tight spaces. It extends downwards for good neck coverage. The bottom of the skirt curves outward, making this helmet easier to use than most when you need to lower your chin to see the work. Most users really liked the headgear in the Deco Pro, but many felt it was a little too cheap, suggesting the Jackson 370 headgear when it comes time for new headgear. A few owners mentioned fluctuating shade levels in the filter during long welds. A huge 12.1 square inch viewing area with manual shade level and sensitivity settings adds a lot of value at this price. Number 4. Tanex ADF206S Budget Welding Helmet. A helmet in the under $100 range that includes a hard hat adapter and 16-inch welding gloves is pretty hard to ignore. These extras alone are potentially worth half the cost of the helmet itself. Tanex is really going the extra mile to take on the competition here. Weld Guru pulled a clean sweep in this budget helmet review. Every helmet we looked at offers an optical clarity rating of 1/1/1/2. The Tanex ADF206S stands with the rest in this regard. One minor complaint by several owners was that the helmet wouldn't stay raised. Tanex needs to improve the tighteners on the swivel. Number 5. Miller 251292 Welding Helmet. It's lightweight and very comfortable to wear for a long time. If you're planning on doing welding work for a long time or going to welding school/classes, this is a good fit for you. The lens of the helmet is clear, and if you want another one in the future, you can get one easily as they're readily available. This helmet is sturdy, with an adjustable shade and fit. It only takes 2 AA batteries to get it up and running properly. For beginners or those who don't want to spend a lot of money on a helmet, this is a great choice. The only downside is that its viewing window is somewhat small. However, all in all, it's still one of the best cheap welding helmets on the market.